die? Are we gonna die?
I don't know. It depends if they come down here.
Will they?
Well, what, Connor?
Will we die with the aliens get us? Oh, Ryan, I'll leave. What is...
I want to know why there were two going overhead. That's creepy.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's just disappeared.
That's what UFOs do, guys.
How did you find them?
We were just having a smoke out here and one flew overhead. And then another one flew overhead.
Are they like really high up? Yeah.
I don't know, I think they're coming up from over there.
What's that?
The moon. Well, that's just a plane.
They might crash into the UFO. Or should we just come zooming over our house? I would try. I would actually try. I would scream. Look, stars, that's pretty. I would run to my house. That's just scary.
What, the UFO?
Yeah.
It's kind of creepy, isn't it?
Put it on YouTube.
That's just a plane.
Because you caught it in your word. Don't talk about it. Scarlett just need to take the mick out of us. Even though it's true, isn't it?
Well, you saw it.
Yeah.
There was two of them. You can obviously tell the difference between that plane over there. It's flashing its lights.
You see that thing? That's scary. I was scared. There it is. Where? Over there.
No, it's just a star, dude.
Oh. No, it's not. That's it, it's moving. Oh, what's that? That was something. Ben, I cropped it. I know. Oh, you were just told. And that isn't camouflage. It is, look. It just moved and then it moved back. Look. It's red. It's beeping. Maybe they just stopped. Jesus Christ.
That was a dog, Connor.
What did you think? All you heard is... Right, you shouldn't have told me there was UFOs. I'm scared.
It's alright, let's lock the doors and windows tonight. They can't get in.
Oh, anyone.
What, they can come through the roof?
Yeah, they could walk through. They could walk through walls.
They can walk through walls.
No one knows. This is like paranormal activity.
Seriously?
Like with aliens. UFOs. What is that from?
Unidentified flying objects.
I'm going in. I'm scared. Oh, let's go look at our window.
It was a Chinese lantern that they saw. But I don't have the heart to tell Connor. It's just too funny.